Welcome to Lake Clearwater Apartments. Hannah's gonna show you one of our floor plans. You're gonna love it.
Thanks, Raji. Right now, we're standing in our 2-bed, 2-bath apartment, and you guys are gonna love how open this floor plan is. Right now, I'm standing in the heart of the home where everything is connected. You've got your living room, dining room, and kitchen all right here. There's so many options to make this space unique for your own lifestyle. Let's get into it. Here in the living room, you've got 9-foot ceilings, beautiful crown molding, and right behind me through these doors, you've got a spacious patio area with an extra storage closet. And notice this half wall here, which serves as a partition between your living room and your dining room so that you can keep the spaces separate, but still have that open and bright feel. And in here, you've got this large dining room table, a buffet area, and I love this wainscoting in here. It just adds such an elegant touch. Now let's check out the kitchen. In here, you've got slate appliances, this upper island great for pulling up bar stools, and then there's these cabinets with extra height for storage. And one of my favorite things is this nook right here, which is perfect to be used as a little office space, or you can make it a bar area, and that's the kitchen. And then behind me, you've got a full-size washer and dryer conveniently located by the bedrooms. One of the things I love about this floor plan is that both bedrooms are on opposite sides. Here in the master, you've got this large window that brings in tons of natural light. You've got a walk-in closet, an attached bathroom with a garden-style tub and spacious vanity area. And then over in the guest, you have the same configuration with a walk-in closet, tons of natural light. You also have the same spacious bathroom, it's just off the hallway. And that's a quick look at our 2-bed, 2-bath. If you're looking to call Lake Clearwater your next home, call our leasing team. We'd love to have you.